Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set Elementor container width. This is essential for controlling the layout and spacing of your web pages, ensuring your content displays exactly how you want it across different screen sizes. First, navigate to your WordPress website dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Pages and click on it. This will bring up a list of all your existing pages where you can manage your site's content. From here, you have two options. If you're working with an existing page that already has Elementor containers, simply select that page from the list. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click on Add New to create a brand new page. Either way, this will open up the page editor where you can begin customizing your layout. Once your page is open, direct your attention to the upper left section of the screen, just below where you see the Widgets panel. Here you'll find the container element. Click on it to select the container you want to modify. This is the foundational building block in Elementor's modern design system, allowing you to structure your page with precision and flexibility. After selecting the container, you'll notice that customization options appear in the left panel. This is where the magic happens. You can now adjust the width of your container to match your design vision, whether you need a full-width layout that stretches across the entire screen or a box design with specific pixel dimensions. These controls give you complete freedom. You'll also see the option to adjust the minimum height, which is particularly useful for creating sections with consistent vertical spacing or hero areas that fill the viewport. These settings are crucial because they determine how your content adapts to different devices and screen sizes. A properly configured container width ensures your design looks professional and maintains readability whether someone views it on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set your Elementor container width, giving you precise control over your page layout and design structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.